Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
madam.
Good morning, madam.
How are you all?
We are fine, and you?
I'm okay. How was your
I'm fine.
weekend? So, I'm going to call the register, okay? Alex Lucelli,
Present. Present, madam.
Agnes Bibe, Jacinta Kioko,
Present.
Judith Chapuri,
Present.
and Patience Mwangi.
Present.
Yeah, so thank you all for coming to class today. So on our last meeting, we talked about fruits and different fruit cuts. Anyone who can tell me about different fruit cuts that they know about? Yes, Joram. Anybody who can tell me about fruit cuts? Yes, Jacinta. Yes, Patience.
There are different types of fruit cuts. We have dice,
Yes.
cubes. Yeah, I know those two.
Yes, thank you very much. And that is very correct. So we are going to go on. Today we are going to learn about handling guest complaints. And under handling guest complaints, this is basically how to handle guests who come to a restaurant or a hotel, how you serve your guests, how you attend to them, the necessary skills that you're supposed to have, and the type of guests who come to a restaurant. Okay, so
Yes, madam.
on to our next slide. We are going to look at the type of customer complaints. Anybody who can tell me type of customer complaints that you heard of? Yes, speak. Anybody? Yes, Jacinta and Alex.
Food served twice when it's cold.
Yes, that's correct. Alex?
The food has a lot of soul.
Yeah, that is correct. In most cases, you hear customers complaining that their food has a lot of sugar or a lot of salt, just as Alex has said. Any other complaints that you know of? Any other complaints? Okay, so I'll tell you. Uh, Customers can complain that the room is not clean, that the food was served cold, that the air conditioning is not working, or that food was undercooked. Moving on, we are going to look at the how to handle guests. So in this case, I'm going to tell you when you have heard that guests have complained, you're supposed to listen actively and attentively. You're supposed to empathize and apologize to guests. You take responsibility and avoid blaming other guests. And you offer solutions anyway to a guest. Then lastly, you're supposed to follow up with guests to ensure that issues are resolved. Okay, have you understood?
Yes, madam.
Then I'm going to tell you the type of guests in a restaurant. The regulars that come often. These are those that most of the time you see them because they like your services or something. Then you look at the guests who come for special occasions, for example, weddings or birthdays. Then we have the food critics. They come to judge the way different hotels cook their foods. Then we have the family with young children. They normally come when they also have events. Then we have the large groups. In this case, you find that a group of friends come together just to enjoy the cuisine of a restaurant. Are we together? Are we
Yes,
together?
we are.
Moving forward, we are going to look at the functions of standard operating procedures. Standard operating procedures are the rules under which any organization follow in running their institution. Now, in our case, restaurants, the operating procedures include ensuring consistency of food and service. It helps to identify potential problems in the restaurant. It ensures employees work efficiently and effectively. It ensures training tools for new employees, and it helps to create a safe working environment. Then moving forward, we are going to look at examples of restaurant SOPs. In the kitchen, we have food preparation and handling. There are rules which guide on how to prepare food and handle food. Then we have serving and customer care rules that govern the same. Cleaning and sanitation. We have rules that handle cleaning and sanitation. Then we have safety and emergency. We also have rules that govern the same. For example, having how is it called? The fire extinguishers. Are we together up to there? Hello.
Yes. Yes, we are, Malim.
Then lastly, I'm going to give you a question that I want you to help me answer. I want you to tell me benefits of following up on guests' complaints. Best benefits of following up on guests' complaints. Yes, Patience.
They allow you to identify and address systematic problems.
Yeah, that's very correct. You're very bright. Any other person on benefits of handling guest complaints? Yes, Judith.
Guest satisfaction.
Yes, that is very correct. Any other person? Any other person? Yes, Jacinta. Yes, Jacinta, please unmute and speak. Okay, it looks like Jacinta is not with us. So as I wind up today, I would like you to tell me what any of you has learned. Anybody who can tell me what they have learned today as I wind up? Yes, Judith. Yes, Jacinta.
We have learned about how to handle guests.
Yes, that is very correct, Judith. Anybody else? Yes, Alex.
I've learned that guest complaints, depending on different ways, including food being salty, being cold, and other ones.
Yes, Alex, you're a very bright student. Yes, Jacinta. Yes, Jacinta, kindly unmute and speak up.
Benefits of guest handling. Benefits of guest handling.
Yes, that is very correct. So,
One is
yes,
satisfaction.
yes, thank you very much, Jacinta, for your answers. And for all of you, thank you very much for complying in my class today. And all of you are very good students. So until next time, I wish you all a wonderful day.
Thank, thank you, madam. Judy, umesimamisha mkono wako.